so late. What time is it? How long have we been out here? Like 15, 20 minutes? Maybe this place is haunted. The story that was never told. Oh, we're taking down the streamers now. They're taking down the streamers. Oh, so I guess it is in your guys' room. What did you guys do? Yeah, that's weird. Is there even alarm systems in the room? Oh. Oh yeah, like those boxes. Fire. There's mysterious boxes. It's bouncing all over the walls. Hey, it got quieter. Is it just... Oh, stop! Oh my gosh! It got louder. It got louder, then quieter, then louder. Oh! Yeah! Yes! Oh! I still hear ringing in my ears, but it's okay, because I know it's just in my ears. Does this mean we can go back to sleep? Yes! Oh my god. Well, our suite is finally quiet again.